Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to resize videos for YouTube Shorts in Kapwing. So first thing is simply go to kapwing.com and sign in into your account. And this will be the homepage. Now from here, click on create new over here. Now from here, first thing is click on this one, 9 by 16. And it will be a vertical. And after that, click on add media over here on the left side. And if you don't see add media over here, go to the media tab over here on the top left. Now click to upload. And from here, I have a sample video of one of our videos. It is a vertical video and click on open. And from here, click on the plus icon over here. And we should be able to see the vertical video over here. So pretty much just simply resize your video in order for it to be vertical. So from here guys, this is just an example. So pretty much this will be depending on your video content. And now let's say I want to cut the intro and click on split. I'm gonna delete this using the backspace and move it to the very first. And let's say I want to cut the video till the end over here and split it. And for example, I want to export it. Click on export project, select MP4 and select the resolution down below. I should be able to adjust the compression level and you can export as MP4. I should be able to make the landscape to vertical videos for short.